In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shop location on Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your shop's city displays correctly to buyers. This is helpful if you've moved, opened a new studio, or just need to make your location more accurate for shipping and search. First, open a fresh browser window and search for Etsy. This makes sure you land on the official site and are working from a clean session. In the results, click the first official Etsy link to go straight to the homepage. Once you're on Etsy, log into your seller account. If you're prompted for verification, follow the on-screen instructions. Take your time here. Accuracy matters, and you'll want to keep all login details private and secure. After you're signed in, head to your account and open Account Settings. It's a good habit to start here because your account details influence what you see throughout the site. Your shop location is part of your public profile and helps buyers understand where their orders are shipping from. Next, navigate to Your Shop Manager. This is your main dashboard for listings, orders, and branding details. You'll find a left-hand sidebar with your shop's main controls. In that sidebar, under the Sales Channels section, look for your shop name and click the small pencil icon next to it. The pencil icon is your shortcut to editing key shop information quickly. At the top of the page, under your shop title, you'll see your current city displayed. Click directly on that city name to make it editable. This opens a field designed specifically for updating your visible shop location, so you're in the right place. Start typing your city and wait for the drop-down list to appear. Select your exact city if it's listed. If you don't find an exact match, choose the closest major city nearby. Etsy uses standardized locations to keep search consistent, so picking the nearest option ensures buyers still have a realistic idea of where you're based. Aim for accuracy here, as it can influence shipping expectations and local search visibility. Finally, click Save Changes. Give the page a moment to confirm your update. You can refresh the Shop Manager view to make sure the new city appears beneath your shop title. If it looks correct, you're all set. That's it. Your Etsy shop location is updated. Consider previewing your storefront to see it as buyers do, and you're ready to keep selling with the right city on display.